Hey. Fuck, dude. Well, let's just begin, shall we? Dude, I am getting so fed up with roofing, dude. I actually want to fucking quit. Like, I actually want to fucking quit, dude. I fucking hate that job. Alright, well, person is Hito, Nin, or Jin. So Onohito is that person. Sanin is 3 people. Hitori is 1 person. Hutari is 2 people. Nihonjin is Japanese person. Child is ko, so korosa is child. Female is onna, so onna no hito is woman, lady, and onna no ko is girl. Like is suki. Rice field is ta or da. I should probably check over the door. Hello, kitty. Come here. Look, she's back. Oh. You're so adorable. She's so fat, dude. Okay. So, ta or da is rice field. So, Taguchi-san is Mr./Mrs. Taguchi. Kaneda-san is Mr./Mrs. Kaneda. Tagawa-san is Mr./Mrs. Tagawa. Then Yamada-san is Mr./Mrs. Yamada. Here, you can go on the bed. There you go. And then male is, Honda-san is Mr./Mrs. Honda. So male is otoko, so otoko no hito is man, then otoko no ko is boy. Recognition kanji is watashi. Watashi wa Yamada desu. Watashi wa Yamada desu. I am Yamada, but formal. There's no fucking difference in the spelling. It's literally the same fucking thing. Like, what's the difference, dude? Oh, I think I figured it out. There's the difference in the kanji, but it's the same thing. Okay, so we have Yamada-san, Onanoko desu. Soshite kuruma ga suki desu. Bro, I swear, why did I struggle with that? Then otoko no hito wa Nihonjin de warimasen. Man. You're smelling that, huh? My work pants. Man, dude, I really don't want to go to work tomorrow. I just want to quit that job, dude. I actually want to quit. I guess I will do mixed sounds now. So the mixed sounds refresher, I guess, is kya kyu kyo, gya gyu gyo, sha shu sho, ja ju jo, cha chu cho, nya nyu nyo, hya hyu hyo, bia biu bio, pia piu pyo, mia miu myo, ria ryu ryo. And then the katakana one is the same thing. I'm not gonna read it. I'll just show you. I should definitely read these charts as refreshers, dude. I'm doing biscuits. Yeah, you are. Then we have sen, which is first previous, so sensei, teacher. Senshu, last week. Be born, present. Say sensei, teacher. Then gakusei, college student. Seito, student, pre-college. Now, ima or kon. So konichi, we know. Imaichi, imaichiji, it's now one. Konban, tonight. Imada-san, Mr./Mrs. Imada. Then I'm guessing Ima Imakechi is this morning, and Q is tonight. I mean today. And then every is Mai. So Mainichi every day. Maitoshi or Mainen every year. Maitsuki every month. And Maishu every week. And I'll probably just reread these tomorrow. Look at her, dude. How cute she is. All comfy, huh? Yeah, you are. Alright, well, see ya.